Gotta do what you gotta do for goose hunting, man. It is the last day for early goose season in Indiana. We got the boys loaded up. We're gonna try and get them today. Hopefully we do good. Got Aspen, boy and girl. But we'll see what happens. We hunted here yesterday morning and we flew in late and we were already packed up. But they've been here every night for like a week, so hopefully we can get in here and get them. But we'll see what happens. Setting up decoys. So we're running all dive bomb silhouettes in family groups. Stretching out. It's pretty simple. Everyone's out here getting everything ready. So yeah, coming along. They'll be ready to hopefully shoot some geese. Well, got the decoy set up. Looking pretty mint. We're gonna be packed in here. Those guys are coming. We got another guy coming. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 guys in these blinds, and we normally can fit like 7. So, is there 9 of us? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8. So it'll be a little packed, but no buff. Hopefully, it'll be a good little shoot. Wait for the birds to show up. See what happens. 2. Had a group of 7 fly by. Look at us a little bit and land on the ponds just right behind us. So hopefully they jump over. I'm sure they will. But first geese. We realized why we weren't shooting any geese. We didn't have face paint on. If you don't know, that automatically calls them in. So went full commando.
What did I tell you guys?
We just had about 15 geese land on the same pond as the other ones. So
Zip.
What?
Where's that face paint at?
What?
Shoot it.
Get dead.
Hell yeah. Shoot it.
Kill it.
Hell yeah. I got. Shoot him.
Dead birds. You reload. Get ready. They might come back. Load up.
Go down, bird. Go down.
I got one.
Shoot him.
That's right, boys! Another group coming from the back.
Shoot him.
That's right, boys! Another group coming from the back.
We're gonna do the exact same thing again, guys. Get ready. Get ready. Take them, boys.
Oh, boy!
Let's go, boys! Let's go!
Hey, let's go. Reload.
Get loaded, boys! Dude, they are on.
Let's go! Reload!
Let's go. Reload.
Reload!
That's what I'm fucking talking about. Go! Right on it. Get low.
Dude, they are on, boys.
Let's go! Reload!
Get ready, boys. Get ready. Shoot him.
Let's go, boys! Let's go! Reload! reloading, boys. Let's go, boys.
You're right, Nick. He's out there running.
Hey, where? Okay. Hey, two coming in. Get ready. Shoot him.
Yeah!
Whoa!
They're running!
Keep reloading, boys.
Nick, shoot that one to your right. Shoot that one to your right, Nick. He's out there running.
Hey, where?
There's one over
Hey,
there.
two coming in.
Everyone stay down.
Hey, coming over your right. Zeb, Pierce, behind you. Hey, right in front of us. Oh my God. Get ready. Shoot him. Take him.
They're running!
There's two alive on the ground.
Punch just about over, figured I'd record something that says viewer discretion is advised. There's foul language in the clip that is going to play next. Yeah, so that was crazy.
You guys on the ends, who's ever on the end down there, go with your birds.
Band! Let's go! Yeah! Yeah! Ah! Fucking band! Look at that shit! Look at that shit, dude! Ah!
They're coming right at us.
Let's go.
Right there. They're going away now. They're going away.
Oh my God!
No, they're not. Hey, come right at us.
Right at us.
I killed a band!
We gotta be quick, boys.
Oh my God! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Come on, baby, come on. Hey, you're gonna get here.
Deb!
Birds! Are your hands shaking? Oh, fuck yeah, bud. Zebby, you shot a band. Let's go. We freaking dropped them.
Get this on video, there's a live goose.
Go for it, Ted. Hang on,
Guys, I can't believe what has happened. The geese were just doing it. I ended up shooting a band. I just had a loss for words. We have, I think, 19 birds down. They find that other one, right?
And there's no shell over there.
Did you find it?
No.
Keep going that way. So
He's like over by the ponds.
we cleaned up. That was I think about half the birds too. So hopefully we get more that come in. Yeah, it's crazy though. We were just talking about bands. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get the first band I shoot in my wedding ring because me and Ass were getting married in August. Shot a band. So it's pretty freaking crazy, but hopefully the birds keep flying. It's the face paint. It did it all. We wouldn't have killed any birds.
It is the face paint.
Yeah, so hopefully more birds will come in. Boys are stoked. I don't remember if I said it in the other clips, but that bird was banded in Plainfield, Indiana on it was in 2017 when it hatched. Plainfield's not very far from here, so that's just a local bird. probably freaking saw in that field before, because we found the field before. So he got away till today. It's cool to see a bird so close. They got banded, just stayed around. This is the end of the hunt. It's a great hunt. Band, 20 birds, 21 if we find this one. I mean, they came so quick, did it so quick, did it good. We're grabbing the trucks now, other boys are grabbing decoys. Rain's here now, it's raining. Such a good hunt. I don't even know what else,
Hey, BJ.
I don't know what else to say.
Look at my calls out there and grab her, please.
But yeah,
Grab my calls out there. I said on the way back to the spot.
great hunt, please. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. It's early season, so we got a lot more videos like this coming your way. See you next time.